Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I bought some new ratchets from Snap-on, and they came in this foam organizer, and it's kind of like if you watch my other video with the screwdrivers, it's kind of the same principle. This is a 4-piece set. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the model number. We got model number FM204RT04BR, and I'm gonna assume the R is for red. On the truck they had a few different color combinations. They had the red, they had the green, the orange. I did pick up a needle nose set in orange, so I did change the color finally. I like the foam organizer, and I'm actually going to take these back to work, but I brought them home so I can work on the car. But as I was saying, the thickness of the organizer is the right height of my drawer for my Epic at work. So we'll talk about each individual ratchet. They're all a 3/8 drive cushion grip. Like I said before, I don't know what it is about the cushion grip, but it seems to me it's easier to clean, and no one's been able to copy the cushion grip that Snap-on has. Grab a screwdriver or something. See, already they're kind of hard to take out. So give me a screwdriver. It'll be hard to take out till the new wears off. Okay. And as you can see, they're all flex head. Not sure the tooth count, but I'll put the tooth count when I post the video. So this first one is model number FHLLF80. A long reach cushion grip 3/8 drive. And check out the etching in the foam organizer. So you got the black on the top. It's like a red. It's kind of like a pink, maybe a red pink. See if my camera do me justice. On the bottom, and as you can see when you pull it out, it's so defined. You can see that the ratchet's not in there. So a guy like me, I like to open up my drawer, and I like to know what's missing, what's out, like quickly. I don't like to wonder, do I have all my tools when I leave for the day? I like to know. So using stuff like this helps me know if I put my tools back in the box, or maybe someone's borrowed it and walked away, and I need to go hunt it down before I leave. And I'm pretty sure, I know someone in the comments might mention, this organizer takes up a lot of room, but my goal on my box is to get a locker along with the hutch. As a matter of fact, I got the hutch coming, and can't wait to get y'all a video of the hutch. But the hutch is on its way, finally, and the locker will be right behind it. So my next ratchet, we got the FHL F80A. It's another swivel head, mid-reach, cushion grip. And honestly, just over the years, I know I'm going to use this one more. I'm going to use this one, and I'm probably going to use this one a lot more. These two. And this is like on specialty stuff. But every time I use it, it pays for itself. Because I don't have to, you know, get adapters and get an old ratchet and cut it and stuff like that. I've had to do stuff like that in the past. But got a new set. And actually I actually had most of these ratchets and I traded them in. So the price wasn't so bad. Like I say, I don't like discussing prices on this stuff sometimes because I know it's different in different regions. But I'll let you know, I paid around, it was like 400 bucks, but I got a huge discount with my trade-in. So we'll just leave it at that. You can look it up on the website on snapon.com. And again, the model number is FM204RT04BR. And it should tell you the price. And you know, you might have some dealers give you a break, some dealers won't. But my franchisee, he's pretty good to me. So this is your regular ratchet, standard size, 3/8. I did purchase the Icon ratchet as a substitute, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't like it, and I couldn't just, you know, have a drawer full of snap-on ratchets and a few Icon. I couldn't do it like that, so I ended up taking it home, and I use it, you know, working on the car, working on stuff around the house. And this is the smallest of the bunch. I call it the stubby ratchet. No cushion grip. I don't know, maybe it wouldn't hurt to put cushion grip right here. Let me know down in the comments. Should Snap-on had to put a cushion grip right here. Made the whole thing cushion grip. Comment down below. This one has a model number FKF80A. And I know this ratchet, I bought one of these a while back, and it's like 100 plus just this ratchet by itself. So you get a good deal when you buy the whole set with the cushion grip. And you can get them either way, guys. You can get them with or without the cushion grip, rigid or flex head. I chose the flex head. And really, to be honest, I wish they had the new version with the button to release your socket. But I know everything takes time, trying to keep up with the competition and stay innovative. So there you have it, guys. My new set of ratchets. Another great addition to my toolbox. And you can never have enough tools. I went back and forth with a few of my co-workers. The question has always been, can you ever have enough tools? Comment down below. But thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.